This time of year, many of us send Christmas cards talking about the birth of Jesus. But for many missionaries who work in dangerous parts of the world, that's not a safe option until now. We spoke with a woman who's designed a line of greeting cards for just that purpose.
I remember reading once in Proverbs chapter 8, verse 12, and it talked about witty inventions. And I said, well, that's cool. I'll ask him for one of those. The Lord really spoke to me at that time and let me know that the cards were to be distributed to persecuted Christians. There was a company in Ohio that really believed in the vision, and they have been so gracious. And they literally have helped to underwrite the entire process. They donated the paper and the ink and the time. When you open the card, you have a verse, and I was particular about making sure that the verses I used, the portions that I used, were not very lengthy, understanding that if someone is facing danger, they don't have a long time to read, like 5 verses, so I just tried to use a few words. Put the card in the water, and what you see is it begins to immediately change form. And so there's no way to open the card again. So if someone is after you, by this time you see it's only a matter of seconds, but you can clearly run your hand over it and the pieces begin to disintegrate. So forget opening it up to see the words in the scripture that's on the inside. It's gone. Look. So all they need is a bucket of water. Obviously, once the card is in this state, there's no way that you can put it back together, which is good because if someone is after you, they don't have a trace, but at the same time, you can still hide the word in your heart. It's something that you can remember and hold on to.
Isn't that incredible? Well, Michele Tapp Roseman says the next step will be getting the cards translated into many different languages so they can reach to the ends of the earth. Pat?